In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use COUNTIF in Google Sheets. If you've ever found yourself scrolling through a long list to figure out how many invoices are marked paid or how many times apples shows up in your sales log, there's a much faster way. The COUNTIF function does the counting for you by scanning a range and returning how many cells match a condition you care about. It's perfect for status labels like done, product names like apples, or thresholds like sales over a certain amount. Here's the idea. COUNTIF takes two things, the range you want to check and the criterion you want it to look for. You'll start by choosing the cell where you want the answer to appear, then type equals COUNTIF. Next, highlight the range of cells you want Google Sheets to examine. This could be a single column or any block of cells that contains the values you're tracking. After the range, type a comma, then add your criterion in quotation marks. Let's use a simple text example. Say you're tracking tasks and want to count how many are marked done. Your formula will read like this: X COUNTIF, your range, done. The quotation marks are important because you're telling Sheets to look for text that exactly says done. When you press enter, Sheets instantly scans that range and returns the total number of matches. If you update any cells to done later, the result updates automatically, which saves a ton of time. COUNTIF also works beautifully with numbers. If you want to count every sale over 50, place the comparison inside quotes, like 50. The full formula looks like this: EQ COUNTIF, your range, 50. The greater than symbol tells Sheets to count only the cells with values higher than 50. As soon as you confirm the formula, Sheets totals those qualifying entries right away. A few quick tips to keep things smooth. Make sure you highlight exactly the range that holds your data. Too small, and you'll miss items. Too large, and you might include unrelated values. Always put text or comparisons inside quotation marks so Sheets interprets them correctly. And double-check that your numbers are stored as numbers, not as text, so comparisons like 50 work as expected. That's all there is to it. With COUNTIF, you stop guessing and start getting instant, accurate counts for the things that matter most in your spreadsheet.